I'm back with my cards, and happy Thursday to everyone. Let me just I've shuffled all the cards. आज हम देखेंगे कि from today's angelic card reading, what we are trying to get the answer is, like, if there is any kind of suggestion from ancestors as well as from the divine about the entire week, and as usual we check that only. So आज मेरा थोड़ा different style होगा. What I am trying to do today is, as you can see, I have this ancestors card right now. So what I am going to do is, I have already shuffled it, and I am just going to spread it like this. So this is what I am trying to do today. Unusual from all the readings that I have done earlier. So intention is to just pick a card randomly, and by spreading in this form. So let's see. We'll get this card. And I'll take this card. So I'll wrap up the rest of the card. And the next card is, so the deck is the transformation, and I'm wrapping up. This deck, Miracle deck, I've already shuffled it, so I'll just make a fan and see which card attracts me the most for this reading today. Okay, so I get the vibes in this. And I'm not getting any other vibe, so let me just put it aside. We'll fan it. Let's pick it here. And the last deck we have is this. So finally we have all the text. अब हम देखते हैं कि what exactly we need to know today. So we have got all the cards. This is the miracle card that we got. These are the Ascended Masters card. These are the Ancestors card. Healing cards. And the transformation card. Okay, so let's start with the first card. That is a miracle card. Now what the miracle card is saying, that we have to start something new. कुछ ऐसा करने का टाइम आ गया है जब अब नया करना है, और हमें बहुत अपने ऊपर डाउट होगा इस टाइम पे. So the card is guiding us to be courageous and to stand up for what we believe, and we should have faith. So it is also asking us to nurture ourselves. like we might be not taking care of ourselves in these last few days or weeks. So it's also guiding us to nurture ourselves. And it is a very powerful card because, as you can see, there are so many nurturers for this child. So it is also a kind of sign where it is saying that you will be guided by so many universal spiritual guides, and also maybe your ancestors, maybe archangels, angels. You are surrounded by them. सो यू नीड नॉट डाउट योर सेल्फ, यू शुड कीप फेथ. आप लोग के अंदर जितना भी डाउट अभी आ रहा है नेचुरल है, बिकॉज अभी हम लोग वैसे फेज में चल रहे हैं. बट देन यू शुड नॉट डाउट. दैट इज़ वॉट द मैसेज इज. आप डाउट मत करिए. आप बहुत प्रोटेक्टेड हैं. आपको बहुत सारे नर्चरर्स एक टाइम पे आपको देख रहे हैं, आपको समझ रहे हैं, आपको गाइड कर रहे हैं. अब वो साइन जो है आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि वो साइन आप समझ पा रहे हैं या नहीं पा रहे हैं. So this is what they are trying to guide you, that please understand you are not alone. So this is also telling you to understand your need before you put everybody's need, and also keep dignity in nurturing yourself. Like suppose if you need a cup of coffee to take a break, but you are serving everybody and you're not taking care of yourself, and then you collapse, so this is your mistake. So they are saying that for rising above, for growing, for a good life, for good things which you want in your life, it is important that you also nurture yourself. So believe that you can do that and think positively about it. When you nurture yourself, don't come in a guilt. Okay. So and any kind of concern or issues or problems, please trust God, and whoever you pray, you can trust them. Or also you can get you will be getting certain signs where you will feel that there are people, there are souls, there are spirits also, those who are taking care of you. So they are specifically asking you to take care and have faith. As you can see, when I say that, they are saying that have faith, and then also they are saying that you'll be able to do things which you want. So another card also which Ascended Masters have given is Archangel Michael. You know, Archangel Michael is one of the most powerful archangel who basically protects us from any kind of lower energy. So you have this card. That means जो लोग यहाँ watch कर रहे हैं, they have also a kind of protection. देखिए आपके पास 2 बार protection की card आई थी. One is already showing that you are nurtured by so many souls and spiritual guides. At the same time, you are getting again a protection from Archangel Michael. So this is a sure shot that you are protected, you are taken care by the universe. Your back is with universe, and they are taking care of you. What you need to learn is keep having faith, and having that faith that yes, they are. So you can do it. Archangel Michael is asking and guiding you that you can do it. You can call him when you feel you have fearful thoughts, or you are surrounded by any negative energy. You can call them to release that. So Archangel Michael is a guide for you this time. And also, most of you, those who are watching, may be burdened by lots of responsibilities at the same time. Either you are thinking about it, that you are playing multiple roles but you're not able to nurture yourself. So this is also a sign that if you are giving a lot but not receiving, then you should stop here, because otherwise you will drain yourself. Start asking help, start asking to receive some kind of energy from other people, like maybe gifts, maybe time to solve your stuff, or maybe a kind of team you may want to hire. Maybe you want house help to be there, or maybe you want family members to participate in housework, or there may be other ways where you may be needing stuff where you feel relieved, you feel relaxed. So this is mother, wife, sister, daughter role, which is being multiply. It can be seen that you are handling multiple roles. Also, it may say that in your family, somebody as a female person needs attention, who is playing lots of different roles and is not taking care of herself. So you might have to take care of that person, because the attention of the female energy, attention for a particular female member in the family is coming as a sign. So you need to see that if they need your help, or if they need to be reduced their burden, and or if they need any kind of help what they're seeking. So the healing card says that Serenity means that definitely when you know that you're nurtured by so many people, or you will start asking for your rights of kind of time which you want, your me time, your, as I said, you want a cup of coffee, but then you are serving others and you're not taking the cup of coffee. That is also not good idea to take care of yourself. So once you start doing that, it is a sign that you will be in a mode of serenity where you'll be guided what next to do, what should be done, what your life requires, and there will be lots of other guidance which will give you peace of mind and calmness within. So serenity is definitely a cup of blessing which is going to come in your life, but only when you start taking care of yourself as it is guided. And once you are in a calm and peaceful space, you will rise, because this is what you're supposed to do. So you're getting guidance that definitely it's not a big problem to rise, because you are in a position where whatever you want to do you can do, but definitely the small hurdles which have been already shared is can be removed easily, and which can be taken care of, and then you will emerge and rise. What you need to do is you just need to keep faith and courage, because this is a transition phase. अभी आप लोग को अपनी नर्चरिंग के लिए, अपने हेल्थ के लिए थोड़ा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. So when you are in a phase where you might not be able to see the instant result, or you're not gratified by whatever you are having right now, so it is a time that you just take these small steps and keep courage and faith in your that your back is being taken care, and it is supported by so many souls, guides and ancestors and angels. Then you definitely can bring up or build up that kind of courage which is required, which is going to help you. For few people, I can see those who are watching that there is still some work needed to be done for your grief. You are still somewhere in a energy where you are missing somebody who is no more in this world. So the grief work has come, where thoda sa bhi jo grief work bach gaya hai, that is asked to be done. So please do that work, because even if you, when you're doing this grief work, you may be wanting to write it as a journal, or you may want to cry a lot, or you may want to share it, or anyways you want to express the grief. If you're fearful that you might not be able to handle, this is what they are trying to say, that you have lots of support. Please look around and seek some help, and then do your grief work, because it is really going to create a very beautiful space in your life which will help you to emerge the way you want. So don't stop yourself or don't block yourself. And ancestors card, as you can see, the first card is warrior, be fearless and stand strong. ancestors की तरफ से भी आपके पास ये ऑप्शन, ये मैसेज आ रहा है कि वो भी आपको ब्लेसिंग्स दे रहे हैं. they are also standing behind you. So why to fear, why to lose faith? So these people are there, your family ancestors are there, those from past lives, from this life, you have got solid support system. So they are asking you to be fearless, just drop your inhibitions, drop your fear, and just do what you want to do. If you have to say something to somebody and you are maybe in your love life, then please do say and convey, because you don't have to fear about it. If you have to take a first step for your career, do that. If you want to travel, then if everything permits and all the situation is good, then do that, take that one step. So if you want to come out of any abusive marriage, please do that and take one step. This is what I mean. Whatever you are internally feeling to do, you have a back, and you need to understand that you can take that step and be fearless. So also the medicine mother has come, which says honor your inner knowing. You doubt yourself a lot. That's what all the cards which had come, it says that you need to keep the faith, because you doubt yourself a lot and you don't trust the knowledge which you have gained. You don't trust the experience that you have gained all the way. So you trust the matter which is required right now. The point which is required right now is to trust your knowledge, trust your experience, trust that people are there who can support you and can connect you you for your betterment. You need to ask, and you need to go out, you need to reach, you need to believe, you need to have faith that these people are there. So positive mindset से आपको काम करना है. And Medicine Mother is also saying that you don't honor what you know. So you have to think about that area also, why you don't have that confidence, why you don't trust your own education, certification, knowledge, experience. So you need to work on that, and then definitely once you do that, as we got the cards, that serenity is what the end would be, and calmness, peacefulness, success, rising, emergence. So you have everything. Now you just have to use it and see that how it can help you in emerging the way you always want. I hope you like this and it connects to what you are seeking for from this video. And do let me know if you still have some questions. Thank you so much. Have a great day.